Hello, in this video, you will learn how to remove people from a photo using Photoshop. First, select the object you want to remove. Next, go to Select, Modify, and then expand the selection. Then go to Edit, Content Aware Fill, adjust settings according to your preferences and click OK. Next, go to Select and then click Deselect. Repeat the process for any remaining imperfections. And there you have it. Your image is now clean and polished. Before and after. A seamless transformation. Thank you for watching.